If you think saving money will make you rich, you might be making a big mistake. In the U.S., a lot of people confuse saving with investing, but they're not the same thing. Saving is about safety. You put your money in a bank, it's there when you need it. It's perfect for short-term goals or emergencies. But here's the catch: your money barely grows. With inflation, it can actually lose value over time. Investing, on the other hand, is how money grows. Stocks, ETFs, real estate, this is where your money starts working for you. It's not just sitting, it's building wealth. Yes, investing has risks. The market goes up and down, but over time, it has historically grown much faster than savings. So if you're only saving and not investing, you're playing defense, not offense. Listen carefully. Here's the smart move. Do both. Build an emergency fund first 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then start investing consistently, even if it's small. Apps make it easy. Consistency beats perfection. Save for security, invest for freedom.